Wake to silence. Light filters in, views stretch wide. Mornings here feel like a vacation. Only you never have to leave. Start with intention. Spa-inspired space. Modern luxury at every touch point. All right, time to go to work. By day, this home becomes your personal resort. Pool dips, sauna resets, lounge in total privacy. A space to play, recharge, host, or not. Oh, I'm getting a call. Let's go to the office. What a day. Now it's time to relax. Crafted for the serious host, this kitchen delivers restaurant-grade function with designer form. After a long day, retreat into stillness. Glass of wine by the fire, the sound of nothing. You don't just live here, you reset here. Or maybe tonight's a night for people. And as the day ends, quiet returns. It's not just peaceful, it's powerful.